Welcome to RRRI Styles, where we explore the rich heritage of Balochi hand embroidery. In this video, we'll delve into the intricate artistry and cultural significance of this timeless craft. Balochi hand embroidery is a traditional craft practiced by the Baloch people of Pakistan and Afghanistan. It's characterized by its bold, geometric designs and vibrant color palette, reflecting the cultural identity and creativity of the region. Balochi embroidery is done by talented artisans who carefully stitch colorful threads onto fabric to create stunning designs. It's been passed down through families for generations. You can find Balochi embroidery on clothes like dresses and shawls, as well as on things like cushions and bags. Each piece is like a work of art, with its own unique patterns and colors. For the Baloch people, this embroidery is really important. It's not just about making things look pretty, it's a way of celebrating their culture, history, and identity. So, let's celebrate the beauty of Balochi hand embroidery together. Whether you love crafts or just appreciate beautiful things, there's something special about the colors and patterns of Balochi embroidery.